Guys, today I'm teaching y'all how to make any website into a app. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to copy the URL, and I've already copied the URL, so I'm just going to go and paste it. And you'll need to make sure that you get the entire URL so that you don't mess the app up, because it won't let you even do it if you mess the URL up. So you need to make sure to get the right URL. So then what you're going to do after you do that is you're going to hit go, and it extracts a bunch of So it's going to extract a lot of data from your website, and it's going to get all your URL stuff, and it will actually, every time you update your website or any social media pages that are connected to your website, it'll update on the app without you having to do anything. So as you can see, yes, split channel into playlist, or no split channel into actual videos. I think for this one I'm going to do this, split into actual and split it not into playlist. So if you want to change the application color of your apps, I'm going to change it to green, since that's like the YouTube channel color, our YouTube channel color, which Google assigned to us. So yeah, sure there's a way to change it. I just haven't taken the time to do it because I quite like green, so I figure I'd just keep it since I really like green. Green's my favorite color. So what? So you're going to want to select all this, and you're going to want to hit yes for action bar if you want an action bar. That essentially just allows you to theme stuff. Tab position, you're going to hit next. Once you got all that correct, you can just, this is actually the fourth time I've created this. It's not that the other ones didn't work, it's just I'm showing y'all how to do it this time. So I'm just going to put Medlin Tech 4. So once you've done that, it'll bring you back to this, and then you're going to hit here, and then you're going to hit next, and now you're going to select a icon. So the icon is 512 by 512. You don't have to size it down to that, but it'll allow you to do it. Size it down to whatever, to 512 by 512, but I like to size it down myself. So now you're going to hit next, and then the little create button will come up. Now when you hit create, it'll ask you to sign in. Just sign in with your Google account or Facebook or with your email. You get here, you're going to want to scroll down till you see download APK, and when you get that, you're just going to click on it. Now you're going to scroll all the way down after this builds. So you're going to scroll once that finishes building. There'll be a little URL down here that we're going to click on, and it'll take us to a direct link like this right here. So now we're just going to hit download. Now if it doesn't start downloading, just click on the download button. So then you're going to hit download again, and now it will be in your notification panel, and it is right here, Medlin Tech 4 APK. So once it installs, we're going to click on Medlin Tech 4, and it has no special permission, so we're going to hit install. Now this takes a few minutes. Now this is just side porting an app. Pretty easy. If it's your first time side loading an app, you're going to want to allow all permissions for installing apps, which means you will need the administrator's password of the phone, which you can actually port the Google Play Store over to the Amazon Fire. The link's in the iCart now. And Fortnite, if you can get the file from Epic Games. for the APK, which is pretty easy. So the link's in the description for this app, for the Amazon Fire video, and for our website, and for this website that you can build an app off of. So guys, remember to subscribe and like this video. Now we're going to hit open once it installs, and as you can see, we now have a fully working website app and YouTube app. So if we slide over, you see YouTube, and if we slide back over here, we get our website, Medlin Tech's website, which we have some really cool wallpapers y'all can go download. We're gonna have some more soon. But here's the videos on YouTube. It's actually pretty cool. You can theme your own theme, and it's pretty lit. If you like Red better or something like